Here I have a really nice TRS-80 Model 1. It's a 16K level 2 machine. Date of manufacture would have been 1977, believe it or not, 35 years ago we're talking at the moment. Bit about it, it's got a Zilog Z80A processor, 1.77 MHz, mono, text 64 by 16, standard basic in ROM. What's unusual about this one, it's got the extra numeric keypad there on the right hand side. It's got a couple of little problems with the keyboard which could probably be easily sorted out. Let's just have a look. So the computer actually working, so just list up the program. And I'll just show you the boot screen. We'll just call the memory up to see how much memory it's got. We know it's 16K. That confirms it. So that's a really nice computer that was actually made in Fort Worth, Texas.